Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm Mark Vincent Beltran Harmonio, and for today's content,
So weird.
we are gonna talk about COVID-19. And I'm gonna ask my friends to talk about it.
I wonder how, I wonder why. The day you tell me about the sky and all that I can see.
So, ayun nga guys, pupuntahan na po natin sila.
2,000 years later.
So, ayun guys, nandito na po tayo sa kanila.
Ang aga-aga baka siya ko yung gilagid mo dyan.
In COVID-19, what is the impact into your daily life?
COVID-19 gave me a huge impact in my daily life unlike before. I can go out with my friends anytime, anywhere, without any second thought by getting transferred by a deadly virus.
Academic freeze. What is your own opinion about this issue?
In my opinion, academic freeze should be approved by the Department of Education because I believe that the school staff and also the students are not well prepared in having online and modular classes. Also, there are a lot of arising problems in having classes through online and modular, and it doesn't help for the mental health of the students and the teachers. The parents also might be affected because of this.
In online class, do you think online class is effective to sustain the learnings of a student? Yes or no, and explain.
So, for me, no. Online class are generally not as effective as in-person classes. But I must say, they are certainly better than no classes. That's all.
So ayun guys, natapos na rin natin ang ating vlog. Maraming salamat sa nanood and maraming salamat din sa aking interview. Marami akong natutunan as a student for that beautiful answer. Thank you.